can make it like this in FL Studio trial version. So in this beat, everything is sample. I don't use any plugins in this beat. I made this beat with only samples. I'm going to tell you where you can download samples for free, of course, and use them for your production. So let's get started. Here we are on Google. You just have to search cymatics. I hope you all know what cymatics is. Cymatics is a sample pack brand. They make samples for producers. We are on Cymatics website and you can see free downloads and you can access thousands of sounds for free, of course. You just have to click here. Let's see what they have. They have packs and they have VSTs as well. And we got sample packs for every genres. So you can download them free of cost and use in your production. Click here, put your name and email here, and just click on download now. So we get download option. I download this one for now. It's downloading. I skip until it's download. So the sample pack is downloaded. Now we are going to add this in FL Studio. So just do it. Now we are in FL Studio. Go to options, file settings, click on folder icon, choose your sample pack. Yeah. And now the sample pack is in browser. So you can use any sample you want from here. Let's see the sample what we get in this pack. So you can download as many packs you want for free. Let's see the full beat that I made from samples. hope you like the video and it will be helpful for you. So subscribe the channel for more important videos in future.